Tired of setting up your favorite software every time you switch computers? Today, I'll show you how to turn this USB drive into a portable powerhouse. We're using portableapps.com to run browsers, office suites, and even games directly from your thumb drive. No installation required on the guest PC. First, grab any USB drive. A fast USB 3.0 drive is recommended for better performance. Plug in your USB drive and format it. Save any data before formatting. Head over to portableapps.com. On the home page, click Download the platform. This gives you the Portable Apps Launcher, basically the start menu for your portable software. Once the installer launches, choose where you want to install it. Select your USB drive, usually something like E or F, but it is usually selected by default. Click Install and let it run. After it finishes, the portableapps.com platform will launch. An App Store window will pop up automatically. Here, you can browse hundreds of apps like Chrome, GIMP, or VLC. Just check the boxes for what you need and click Next. The platform handles the rest, downloading and installing them directly to your drive. Use your apps on any Windows machine, just plug in the drive. Navigate to it in File Explorer and double-click Start.exe. Your custom menu pops up and you can launch any app exactly as you left it. All your settings, bookmarks, and passwords stay on the drive, not the computer you're using. Say you installed a browser and imported them. You can use portable apps for running your favorite software on school or office computers, avoiding installations when you don't have admin rights, keeping your tools consistent across multiple PCs, carrying software and documents securely, and using slow PCs faster because everything runs directly from USB. Before pulling the drive out, always close your apps and use the eject button in the Portable Apps menu to prevent data corruption. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more tech tips.